Could the daily act of eating fermented foods be the most profound yet overlooked way you actively train your immune system to stay sharp, balanced, and resilient against the march of time? Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on how a vibrant, diverse ecosystem living within you isn't merely aiding digestion, but directly instructing your body's defenses, shaping your immune health right now and for decades to come. You are about to truly understand the intricate dialogue between your gut microbiome and your immune cells, revealing how this conversation fundamentally impacts the rate at which your body ages. For too long, we've pictured our immune system as a static fortress, either strong or weak, constantly fending off invaders. But the truth is far more dynamic. As we age, this incredibly sophisticated defense network faces a twin challenge: a gradual decline in its ability to recognize new threats, known as immunosenescence, and a creeping state of chronic, low-grade inflammation, often called inflammaging. Imagine a vigilant city sanitation crew responsible for keeping the streets clean and responding to emergencies. As years pass, this crew might become less efficient at clearing daily waste, and their alarm system, meant for genuine threats, might start blaring indiscriminately at minor disturbances, creating constant, exhausting noise. In our bodies, this translates to immune cells that are less effective at identifying novel pathogens and, simultaneously, more prone to overreacting to internal signals, leading to persistent, damaging inflammation. This constant internal low-level fire is a silent accelerator of aging, implicated in everything from heart disease to neurodegeneration. Think of the gut as a highly sensitive border patrol station. Its primary job is to let in nutrients while rigorously blocking harmful compounds from entering the bloodstream. But with age or under stress, this gut barrier can become compromised. Tiny gaps emerge, allowing unwanted substances, toxins, undigested food particles, even microbial components to slip through into the circulation. This phenomenon, often referred to as leaky gut, immediately triggers a systemic immune response, effectively putting your entire body on high alert. This constant low-level activation further fuels inflammaging, burdening your immune cells with unnecessary work and diverting resources from more critical tasks. This isn't just theoretical. A seminal review by VVP-M.N. Singh and colleagues in 2016 highlighted how age-associated changes in gut microbiota composition directly contribute to immunosenescence and inflammaging, underscoring the critical link between these two systems. So the question isn't simply if your gut influences your immunity, but how precisely it orchestrates this delicate balance as you age. This is where the revelation truly begins to unfold, reshaping how you view your gut entirely. It's not just a digestive tube, it's a living, breathing, immune training ground. Before, you might have thought of fermented foods as merely aiding digestion, perhaps adding some good bacteria. But the actual biological process is far more profound. When you consume fermented foods, you're not just introducing microbes, you're introducing their unique molecular signals and metabolites, the tiny chemical messages they produce. These aren't just random bystanders. These microbial compounds, like short-chain fatty acids such as butyrate and specific cell wall components, are like direct communication signals that travel from your gut lumen through your gut barrier and straight to your immune cells. Your immune cells, particularly those lining the gut, possess specific receptors designed to listen to these microbial messages. This direct communication, a biological conversation happening right now inside you, actively trains your immune cells to become both sharper in recognizing genuine threats and calmer in responding to internal signals. It's like a daily drill for your border patrol, teaching them precisely what to react to aggressively and what to simply observe without escalating into full-blown alarm. Before understanding this, your perception of your immune system might have been one of passive defense. Now, envision it as an active, learning entity, constantly being educated by your gut. This training helps steer your immune responses away from chronic inflammation and toward a more balanced, efficient state. It significantly improves the ability of your T cells, crucial immune soldiers, to differentiate between harmless substances and dangerous pathogens, a function that typically declines with age. This isn't a subtle effect. Research published by Wastik and colleagues in 2021 in Cell demonstrated that a 10-week diet rich in fermented foods significantly increased microbiome diversity and led to reduced markers of inflammation in the body. That means fewer alarms blaring, fewer resources wasted, and a significantly more harmonious internal environment, directly combating the age-accelerating effects of inflammaging. You are quite literally instructing your body's hidden defense system to stay vigilant but not hyperreactive. This isn't just about introducing more bacteria, it's about changing the curriculum for your body's immune school, helping it learn adaptability and wisdom in its responses, a crucial shift for healthy longevity. So, how can you actively engage this remarkable biological process in your daily life, harnessing the power of your gut to fortify your immune system against aging? The science points to specific, actionable strategies. First, integrate diverse fermented foods into your daily intake. This isn't just about one type. Variety is key to introducing a broad spectrum of beneficial microbes and their signaling molecules. Aim for a daily serving of different living ferments: kimchi, sauerkraut, kefir, natural yogurt with live cultures, kombucha, or tempeh. Each offers distinct microbial populations and unique metabolites that contribute to training your immune cells. For example, the specific bacteria in kefir produce a different array of short-chain fatty acids compared to those in kimchi, providing diverse training stimuli for your gut-associated immune cells. Second, pair your fermented foods with prebiotic fibers. Think of prebiotics as the essential fuel and housing for the beneficial microbes you're introducing or nourishing. Resistant starch found in cooked and cooled potatoes or green bananas, and soluble fibers from oats, asparagus, and garlic are not digested by you, but they are a feast for your gut microbes. When these microbes consume prebiotics, they produce even more of those beneficial signaling molecules, amplifying the immune modulating effects. This synergistic approach creates a thriving, communicative environment that continuously educates your immune system, making it more robust and responsive over time. A small bowl of yogurt with berries and oats, or kimchi alongside a meal with resistant starch, can significantly elevate this internal immune dialogue. Third, consider the timing and consistency of your intake. This isn't a one-off treatment, it's an ongoing training program. Daily, consistent consumption of these foods ensures a continuous flow of microbial messages to your immune cells. Just as an athlete trains regularly to maintain peak performance, your immune system benefits from regular, consistent exposure to these gut-derived signals. Making fermented foods a non-negotiable part of your daily ritual transforms a simple dietary choice into a powerful strategy for maintaining youthful immune function and mitigating inflammaging, allowing your body to sustain a calm yet vigilant state of defense. You are no longer a passive passenger in the aging process. By understanding this intricate connection between your plate and your immune cells, you realize that your gut is not merely a digestive organ, but the command center for your body's defense against the ravages of time. You now recognize that every spoonful of fermented food is a deliberate, empowering act of communicating with and training your immune system, shaping its trajectory towards a longer, healthier, more resilient future. This understanding fundamentally transforms your relationship with your own biology. This incredible biological dance happening within your gut, constantly fine-tuning your immunity, is just one of the astonishing discoveries science is making about how your body ages. The journey to truly decode longevity has only just begun, and the insights waiting to be uncovered about your own biology are even more remarkable.